Alright, what's up y'all? I've got the Acura RSX and this video is an instructional video on how to program one of these. It's an aftermarket key fob, again, for the Acura RSX. Now there are different models and different makes and different brands of these. Some work, some don't. I actually had one that did not work. So this is my second attempt at it. We'll see if it works, and if it does, I will link this in the description below. Definitely check this out because yeah, stay away from the fakes that really don't work. As you can see here, there is a battery installed. You can see that little red light blinking in there. So this is working. As you can see, it's not doing anything to the car right now. So let's go ahead and give this a test. All right, so obviously you need your key. Now, key fob is not important. What matters is you have your key that does have the chip programmed for the immobilizer to work. Get your new key fob. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the plastic baggie here. This one has a 355 number on it. Not sure what that means, but the actual model number of this is completely different. The internals as well will have a code on there. Now, I bought this from a really good seller. They actually had me type out the model number from the factory Acura key fob that was not working, by the way. And then they sent me this one based on that number to make sure that it is compatible. And the procedure is pretty simple. You're gonna go ahead and put the key in the ignition, turn it not to 1, not to 3, but 2. You don't need to start your car. You just wanna have it to that on accessory position, all right? And then after you do that, within 1 to 4 seconds, hit the lock button, just like that. Then turn it off all the way to 0. Now you're gonna wanna repeat that step 4 times. On that 4th time, you should hear the doors lock. Pull your key out of the ignition because your car will not lock if your key is in the ignition, by the way. Pull that out and just give it an unlock and lock test. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a try. So on, lock, off, on, lock, off, on, lock, off, on, lock. So I'm getting a lock, getting an unlock, and it was working. Awesome. Cool. We're good. You can see it locked. Set the alarm, unlock it, unlock both doors. We're good to go. All right, so apparently you're supposed to hit your lock on the other key fob just to make sure both are programmed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this with this one and then do the lock with this one right after. Because this one's on the key ring, I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this. All right, locks, unlocks, locks, and unlocks. Cool. Open the door, shut the door. Let's check these. So locks, unlocks, locks, and unlocks. So now I've got 2 working key fobs for the Acura RSX. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. Again, a link for this will be in the description below. If you have a factory Acura key fob and you're just looking for housing, also link to the housing as well. Now, again, this works, but I gotta kind of squeeze the middle of it for the actual battery connection to bite. It's just a common flaw with the way that it's designed, but I'll go ahead and link this in the description below. It's really cheap. This one runs about 24 bucks. This one was like 6 or something like that. Can't remember, but yeah. 2 working key fobs, awesome.